Amazon's Echo devices have a long list of features that truly makes Alexa a must-have smart assistant in your home. One feature, however, that is often overlooked, is that these speakers have the ability to communicate with each other and function as a wireless intercom in your home. Currently, there are two ways Echo speakers can communicate with each other: through announcement and drop-in. Announcement is basically a broadcast function of Alexa. If you need to send an announcement to your household, you can say any of the following trigger commands. 1. Alexa, broadcast. 2. Alexa, tell everyone. 3. Alexa, announce that. Announcement is a good way of informing everyone whenever dinner is ready, or if it's time for a family meeting. Drop-in, on the other hand, lets the user connect to the Echo speaker or display, without the need for someone to answer the other end of the line. To use this feature, just say, Alexa, drop in on, then say the name of the Echo device. Once you drop in on an Echo speaker, you can immediately hear what's happening near the device, and begin talking. If you connected to an Echo show using the Alexa app, or you used another Echo show, both you and the other user will hear an alert, and see a frosted glass for a couple of seconds before it shifts to a clear video. Obviously, this feature was meant to give the receiver time to prepare for the sudden video call, and avoid potentially embarrassing situations. Of course, the better solution is to never set up an Echo show inside your bathroom. Right? If you already set up an Echo device, chances are, drop-in has already been enabled. If it's the first time that you're installing the Alexa app and setting up an Echo device, please make sure to enable drop-in when you see this prompt. If you want to check whether drop-in is enabled for a specific device, you can follow these steps. 1. Open the Alexa app and tap on Devices. 2. Press Echo and Alexa. 3. Choose the Echo device that you want to configure. 4. Click on Settings. 5. Tap on Communication, and check if announcements and drop-in are enabled. Now, all that's left to do is to properly name your Echo devices, so you won't have a hard time remembering where you want to drop in. Based on experience though, using the device's room name is the best way to remember all of your Echo speakers and displays. If you want to give one of your contacts the ability to drop in, you have to set this manually. For obvious reasons, this is disabled by default as it can be misused to invade one's privacy. To allow a contact to drop in on you, follow these steps. 1. Open the Alexa app and tap on the Communicate tab. 2. Click on the contact icon at the top right corner. 3. Select the contact you want to grant drop-in privileges. 4. Click on Allow Drop-in. If you are considering granting drop-in privileges to one of your contacts, at the very least, make sure that he or she is a trusted contact, and that none of your Echo devices are placed in private sections of your home. As an extra precaution, you may also set the drop-in permission for each Echo device. To do so, follow these steps. 1. Open the Alexa app and click on Devices. 2. Tap on Echo and Alexa. 3. Choose the device that you want to configure. 4. Click on Settings. 5. Tap on Communication and Drop-in. 6. Choose the setting that you want for this specific device. Once you have them all set up, you now have a fully functional wireless intercom in your home. You can start using announcements, or drop in on rooms using the commands we gave you earlier. We hope you enjoyed this week's Smart Home video. To learn more about smart devices, please visit our site, www.SMARTLIVING.PH. We post weekly videos on home automation and smart home tips. Click subscribe so you won't miss any of them. Be smart. Live smart.